Activate the device by pressing and holding the power button down until the light illuminates. To establish your designated area, select the large option and choose a comfortable sitting position. Then select the Enter to the VR World button. Open the library and choose the app. Disinfect the goggles before using them. Help the patient to adjust the interpupillary distance by moving the eyepieces. Hand the goggles to the patient. Position the goggles from the front for comfort. Loosen the straps using the wheel at the back of the device, and then adjust the top strap without over-tightening. Check the sitting position of the patient. The patient should be relaxed and comfortable. Advise the patient to move their head with ease and not force the movement. To familiarize the patient with the current VR environment, let them know they are located inside the optics store. Recommend patient to look forward. When the app's display appears rotated, you can adjust it by clicking the O button from the command. Explain to the user that when moving their head from side to side, they will see a point or selector moving. They should indicate what option they want to select. At the start of the exercise, explain the user that they will ascend in an elevator. Explain to the patient what they are seeing on screen. 2 stimulus will appear in the central panel. They must choose one of them and follow the stimulus as they would in the real world. They can freely move their eyes or head as they normally would. Once the test is complete, confirm that the patient sees the 3 maps on the VR headset screen and explain the functionality of the maps. The patient should give you the number ID to check their full test results. Insert the ID number in the back office of the app to review the results of the patient. To conclude, print the results and deliver them to the patient. Remember to charge the goggles after using them. Place the command to the floor if you have selected to customize your boundary area. Draw the area where you are going to carry the test with the command. When you are happy with the boundary, select the option to enter the VR world and select to stream to the totem or screen. Click the trigger twice and maintain A button pressed for coming back to home screen. To change the language, press the A button until the configuration icon appears. To activate sound, press the A button until the configuration icon appears.